All right, everybody. Totally buenos dias to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today, we're going to be going down the hill and checking out Marina Papagayo. Start up here, though. Get some cool views. This is a big marina out near the resorts on the Papagayo Peninsula. Very nice area. Very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. Near the Liberia International Airport. You can see some stuff out here. I think the Andaz is over there. The Four Seasons is over there. Planet Hollywood is right over there. So the marina, you can actually see a little bit of it here. See a little bit of it here. That's nice. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, if this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. As always, leave us a comment with your questions, feedback, requests. Just to say hello. Say hello. Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me when you're coming to Costa Rica, what you want to see. What do you want to see? That's what this channel is. We drive around Costa Rica and I stop and film with the walking tours and the drone. Now, what we're going to do in this video is talk about how to get here. We just came from Playa Iguanita. We'll talk about how to get to this beach here, or this marina, and also look at some drone footage. Now, before we do that, though, I want to actually do some video here. Let's look around right here for a little bit. So there's some nice beaches right over there. I have been to one of those beaches over there. There was some monkeys that I saw. I did like a yacht thing, little boat trip. Now over in that direction, we're looking at Playas del Coco and Playa Ocotal over there. Over here, guys, Playa Hermosa. Playa Hermosa is just on the backside of that ridgeline right there. I'm gonna point at it. The backside of that ridgeline right there is Playa Hermosa. So that's interesting. Playa Panama. So I'm gonna zoom in on Playa Panama right there. This is really cool. We can actually see the pirate ship that's in Playa Panama. It's a restaurant. So that's really nice. Now, right over here, guys, right over here, through the tree line, we're going to see it a little bit better from the drone, but I'll show you from here. But that's Playa Iguanita. That's Playa Iguanita over there. There's actually a natural reserve there. There's a park. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So this area here, guys, is really well paved. I mean, look at this. This is out of my budget. But I mean, it's really nice, well kept. The roads are all perfectly paved because, of course, there's all these resorts here that are very luxurious indeed. And of course, if you're staying at those resorts and you want to charter a boat, I'm sure that's where you're going to do it. I'm sure that's where you're heading. So now, before we head down to the marina, let's talk about how to get here and look at some of that drone footage. Starting off with the big view of Costa Rica, we're going to head up to the northwest at the Liberia International Airport, where you'll probably get your rental car or airport transfer and start heading towards the coast. But before you get to a little town called Comunidad, you're going to take Highway 253 back towards the north. This is a pretty scenic drive, very nice. You drive through a lot of pastures and fields, farmland, and you head back out towards the coast. The entire route will take you about 45 minutes in the absence of traffic. So there's the marina right in the middle, Planet Hollywood over on the right side. And we'll have a little zoom ski around here, the Papagayo Peninsula. You can see all the resorts down there on the left. Now what we'll do is we'll head back up about 10 minutes before your arrival at the marina. And we'll take a look at some driving footage of the road there on the way down to the marina itself. All right, so let's start the how to get to Marina Papagayo right back here. So the last video we uploaded was down this way, Playa Iguanita. You can see the sign there. So this time we're going to be going this way. So if you want instructions on how to get to this intersection right here, watch the last video because we talk about it. Nonetheless, the Liberia International Airport is back that way. Liberia and Playas del Coco, Playa Panama are all back that way. So let's jump in the car. The map says 10 minutes driving along here, and this road should be paved the entire way. So let's do that now. And we're off. So the road is in fact all paved all the way out to the marina from where we were just standing. And it's pretty busy. It's a pretty busy road, even though it's kind of out there on its own on the Papagayo Peninsula. There are a lot of resorts, a lot of things going on out there. You'll eventually run into this roundabout and you'll notice it's all of a sudden very nice. All the bushes are very well cut, manicured. Now, as we come around this corner, this is where the start of this video was, where I was standing, pointing out across the bay, right up at that guardrail. So there's an area you can stop on the left and take a look at that. if you're so inclined. As we continue further down the hill here, where that car is turning left is Planet Hollywood. That's the entrance to Planet Hollywood. And then it's just a short drive down, still paved, all the way to the marina. And there is the entrance to the marina itself. So you once again do a little roundabout. Look at how nice the cobblestone roads are. And I know it's not on video, but I most certainly had my pinky fingers upright and erect on the steering wheel whilst I was driving. Now I'm going to try to find parking, and let's put the drone up and see what this area looks like from the sky. And we're off. Let's start, of course, with the view of the marina. Pretty much from where we were standing, off there on the left. But a better angle, I'd say. Most certainly. You could see a really big boat off there in the marina. Looking good. I don't know how many slips there are. They call these slips, apparently, in the boating world. That's a parking spot for a boat. Now here is Planet Hollywood. I haven't stayed there, but I know people who have, and they seem to report good things. If you've stayed at Planet Hollywood, let me know how you liked it. Maybe I'll put it on my list for the future. Looking out past Planet Hollywood there, that is Playa Iguanita. I have been there before. I think we've got a video up on the channel from there. You can actually camp on that beach. It's a very nice beach as well, surrounded by a nature reserve. There's another view of the marina from the other side. See a boat pulling in just at the perfect time. Thank you, boat, for including yourself in this buttery smooth drone shot. Finger licking good right there. Now here's looking up the right side of the marina along the bay. So that is the Andaz resort off there on the right. I know that not because I've stayed, but because Google Maps has so much information on it. Big thanks to Google Maps for informing me where these things are and what they are, what I'm looking at while I'm taking these drone shots. Just perfect. And there is the remainder of the Papagayo Peninsula. So in the middle there, on the lower left middle, Andaz, and then further out on yonder, just more and more illustrious accommodations options. Luxurious, as it said. And guys, if you're interested in what drone I'm using, the water shoes I use, the securable backpack I wear while I'm traveling around Costa Rica, click the link in the description or scan the link on screen right now to go directly to the Amazon store and find all those items. All right, so I hope you enjoyed some of that drone footage of the marina here and the surrounding area. Got the parking sorted out. If you just drive down past the main buildings, I parked right down there. It's like public parking here. So here's the marina. There's a little cafe here. I'm going to be getting a coffee into me, man. Got to get my coffee, guys. I'm going to put a link on screen. If you appreciate these videos and you want to send me a little coffee, you can do so with the link. You can scan it with your camera on your phone, or there's a link in the description below. This is Brit coffee, I'm told. I'll report to how it is, how tasteful it is. So these here are condos over here. Those are condos, and here's the marina. So here's the marina from where I'm sitting. But as you can see, I'm not ready to walk yet because that coffee is still full. Very nice view though. Very tranquil here indeed. This is a nice little cafe, man. Look at this. So let me get this coffee downrange, and then we'll go and maybe we'll walk up along there. Okay, quick interlude. Was not expecting this. We've got a visitor. What are we looking at here? What are we looking at here? That's an interesting looking lizard. He's got nice stripes. Nice stripes on him. Nice pattern. Good livery. I think he wants some of my coffee, so I'm going to definitely try to put it down as quick as possible before he comes over and starts a tail fight with me. All right, so the coffee's finished, guys. Brick coffee was really good, really good. $6.15. So that's what you're probably going to pay if you come out here. Probably anywhere around here. That's what you're going to be paying. So it's a nice little cafe right here. Now, what do you do after you pay $6? Well, you throw in an upper decky and you start filming the rest of the vlog. So let's do that now. I see a jet ski coming in. Look at that. That's cool. I've seen a few jet skis come in here. This must be like the jet ski hive. The jet ski hive of sorts. Let's see what kind of boats we're looking at. This one has a rollout tubey thing. Look at this. A rollout thing. A rollout floaty thing. That's pretty cool. I like what I'm seeing. So right up there, I'm pretty sure that's the Andaz. Those buildings there. And then off in the distance there, I know from the map there's a golf course over there. I don't know what buildings those are. I don't know if that's like the Four Seasons or what. I haven't like explored around up there all particularly much. And I think if I turn the camera back, oh, there's Buddy. There's Buddy. Look at him. Why is he so chill? Oh, he's my tour guide now. I should pull out the microphone for him. Oh, okay. So the yeah, and Planet Hollywood is back there too. Buddy's chill. He's not even phased that I'm walking behind him. It's so weird. How close can we get? Can we get some cool like National Geographic stuff? Let's see how close we can get. No. Buddy, I'm chill. Ah, I shouldn't have said anything. Dang it. I just heard a bird too. This is so nice. Look at this. There's nobody out here, so I'll poke the camera around. So these are condos, I guess. I saw on the sign, it said these are condos. So this is private. Not going to jump over that. Looks like I'm tall enough to jump over that, but in the words of Jackie Chan, you know, I don't want any trouble. Let's see what we can see from here. Oh, that wasn't a bird. That was just that thing moving around. That's cool. So we got some, oh, these are the bigger boats over here. So I see a couple of catamarans. That's cool. This boat has some heavy duty motors. I just had a conversation about the price of boat motors and I was astonished. I can't believe how expensive they are. That's incredible. Let's go walk down there, see what's going on down there. There's a market here, it says. Market. The market. That's fun. Oh, they got Pringles. I don't really eat Pringles, but if you're looking for Pringles, guys, if you come all the way to Costa Rica, you want to come out to the Papagayo Peninsula and you're looking for Pringles, that's where it is. Okay, yeah, they got daily fresh bakery sandwiches, smoothies, coffee, and goods. So they got coffee too. Next time I'm out here, I'll check for coffee. Look at this really nice little fountain situation. I like it. I like it indeed. So there you have it, guys. There's the big yacht over there. There's one big yacht. There's another big yacht over there. I'm not going to zoom in just in case some Stan is watching these videos and goes, oh, celebrity, and then I'm responsible for something like that. Look at the clear water here. Very, very nice, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that walking, talking tour here at Marina Papagayo, Guanacaste, just outside of the Liberia International Airport. This is probably a first stop for a lot of people with all the resorts around here coming out this way. Cool. So if you enjoyed that video, hit like, hit subscribe, tickle the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video of my travels here in Costa Rica, which are frequent. That's what we do on this channel, guys. We just go around, we're going to pull out the camera, pull out the drone, and keep showing you guys places that you can visit on your vacation here. Add to your itinerary. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.